Now let's try to call. I type C and press enter. And there is incoming call on my phone. This is SIM800L version 2 module. In this channel I have made many tutorials on SIM800L, the version 1. Now in this video I want to talk about this, the version 2. There are some differences of course compared to version 1, like the board size and appearance, but the most important is that this SIM has power enabled with 5V, which makes us easier to use with a microcontroller like Arduino. In version 1, we know that there are many issues regarding how to use proper power supply, since it is recommended only to use about 3.4 until 4.4V, which is Arduino doesn't has. First, I will put an antenna on it. Now we can insert the SIM card with a position like this. Once you are confident, let's start the wiring. This is the wiring diagram. It's the same as the SIM800L version 1. Wait, before we continue the video, you can make me really happy by subscribing to this channel and tap the bell so you won't miss new video from me. And as usual, this module will blink once every second and try to register to a network. When it is registered, it will blink slower, about once every 3 seconds. Wait some seconds until the LED is blinking slowly. If you already wait for long enough but still cannot be registered, check your SIM or your power from Arduino. Maybe the voltage is dropped. When your SIM module blinks slowly like this, means it's already registered and your SIM module is ready to use. Now open the Arduino IDE and I will use the same program that works for SIM800L version 1, 2. This is the sketch to send an SMS, receive SMS and make a call. This is the pin we use to communicate with SIM module. And this is the destination number. You should change this to your destination. And this is the baud rate we use to communicate with the SIM module. And if I type S in serial monitor, this program will call send message function, and when R type, it will call receive message, and if C, it will call the call number function. And this is the inside send message function. It is actually an AT command that we send to the SIM module, and this is the SMS content. So make sure you edit this content to what message you want to send, and this is to execute the SMS content, so the SIM will send your message. And inside the receive message function, we have this AT command to set the SIM module to take mode, and this is to make the SIM module to receive a live SMS. Now inside the call number, this is the ATD. It's AT command to make SIM call number, and then it's execute the call. Now upload the sketch. If you want the list of AT command used for SIM800L, you can find the link in the description below, and also of course you can download the full sketch there too. Now open the serial monitor. I will type S to send a message. I type S and press enter. We can see on the serial monitor there are reply from SIM module, and in my phone there is incoming SMS. The content is "How are you? Greeting from Milium.com admin." Now let's try to call. I type C and press enter, and there is incoming call on my phone. And then I will try to receive SMS, so I type R, and now the SIM module is in receive mode. I try to send a text message to SIM module. The content is "Yes admin, what happened?" And we can see now the SMS displayed on serial monitor. Now we have successfully used this SIM module to send and receive SMS and make a call. Do you think I have to make video tutorial on how to use this SIM module with GPRS connection? Please let me know by leave your comments below. And this SIM is perfectly works with sketch for SIM800L version 1. So you can use my another video tutorial sketch for this module. So I think this is the end of this video, and as usual, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.